on that? Do you have any games on that?
I do.
What games do you have?
Oh, I have all kinds of games.
Can
This is the view from the bedroom. It's a large bedroom, lots of light, freshly painted. It has 2 windows. One leads out to the beautiful garden. What do you think of this bedroom? Is it nice?
Yes.
Ooh.
And then it has this. You can keep some of the toys all in the shelf like here, maybe. You have my shelf right there, some other stuff. And then you can have his up here and then put all my stuff in there.
Wow.
Because my brother makes a big mess. So I could have him make a big, because he doesn't really clean up his messes. So I could put him after playing his messy area.
Like here, you're going to see what they're saying if you just look in the screen. Look at your property right now. Now this is exactly what they're going to see on the internet, only there will be music. Look at the difference. It's just going to go like that. And as soon as they see that, look at the difference here, guys.
Oh, I know.
Only thing missing right here, I didn't light the fireplace. I forgot to ask you, is that gas too or no?
Yeah.
This is filming so much better. Yeah, I will. I'll call you ahead of time. Yes, definitely. It really makes a difference. I'm so happy to see that. These counters are turning out really great on this video.
I think last time you were dancing through her so fast your camera was blurred.
What it was is it was a phone camera. It wasn't this good.
I see you got a pretty nice toy there.
My daughter got it.